Hello friends, today we will talk about investing in land. But before that, I remind you to support me by becoming a subscriber to my channel. It has become attractive to institutional investors and wealthy families in recent years because returns are stable and weakly linked to other asset classes, said Todd Koop, an economist at Purdue University. More and more investors are now turning to it as a potential refuge against inflation, asset management companies say. Prices have been rising at their fastest pace in decades. Among Mark Twain's many memorable remarks is his investment recommendation: buy land because they don't do it anymore. This is because agricultural land is limited and demand will grow along with the world's population and food needs. But land is not just bought for production. Smart businessmen buy fields with potential for development. These are usually areas with investment potential, which are currently only agricultural. Interest in such plots is particularly high because they are located in communicative places such as highways, major cities and seaside resorts, and investors see huge potential in their development. Near all properties there is a well-developed infrastructure and existing business. Why agricultural land? According to our research and many other analyses, agricultural land is an excellent long-term investment. We believe that the world is in a period of increased demand for land due to the combined requirements for food, feed and fuel. The world's population is growing every year and requires each hectare of land to produce more. China and India switch to more animal feed, which increases the demand for animal feed. The production of biofuels diverts some of the agricultural products from their use for food. Agricultural land usually generates higher returns than stocks for long periods. Finding a good deal and finalizing it can take years, including several months for preliminary research on everything from water consumption to growth prospects. Farmers also want to make sure that investors are committed to the land in the long run. Investment Strategy 1. Formation of a portfolio of land, where 95% are invested in agricultural land and up to 5% in land in urban areas. 2. Maintaining the stable network of agents buying and selling agricultural land only for the fund. 3. Acquisition of agricultural land in areas with the best soil and climatic characteristics. 4. Rapid consolidation of the ownership of agricultural and urbanized land in order to increase its market value. 5. Building long-term relations with the leading agricultural producers. 6. Leasing or renting of the agricultural lands of the fund. 7. The company does not envisage to carry out agricultural activity. 8. Sale of consolidated agricultural and urban lands to agricultural producers and/or investors. 9. The company does not envisage the performance of constructions, repairs and improvements of real estates. Before making an investment in agricultural land, it is important to assess the costs and revenues of a particular plot. It should be, both with good characteristics and profitability, also attractive to potential future buyers. Leading in this type of investment is to be highly liquid. A possible solution to such an investment is to direct the funds to funds investing in agricultural land. This choice is recommended, as the amount invested can be smaller, has high liquidity and is managed by a fund that guarantees rents and dividends to investors. I hope I was useful to you. Thank you and see you soon.